Hello friends, welcome to Anirban's World of Digital Finance powered by S4Hana, and this is Anirban here. And today is this is the eighth session of S4Hana FICO, and today we are going to discuss in this video we are going to discuss field status variant, right? So with this, I'm going to start sharing my screen. All right. So what is a field status variant? So before that, in all the videos in the beginning, I talk about this file, which the link you will get it in all the videos after once I upload it. So this is a ready reckoner tab, and here you can see all the activities that I do is mentioned here. So here today I am going to discuss about field status variant. So first of all, what is field status variant? So I'll go to the notes. You can always refer to the notes to understand what is field status variant. So usually it is a four-digit alphanumeric, like you can depict it with a four-digit alphanumeric key, and it actually talks about like for each one of the field what it would be the characteristic of that field, whether it could be suppressed, it could be required, or it could be optional. So if it is suppressed, you won't be able to see it at all. If it is a required entry, the SAP won't like allow you to move forward without entering any value to that particular field, and optional is you may update the field or you may not. So this is what we achieve by configuring the field status variant and assigning it to a company code, right? So let's go to the Ready Reckoner tab, and here field status variant. If you see, the T code is OBC4. It is configuration type. Type is configuration, which means that it is not an end user. It is not won't be available to the end users. It would be done by the SAP consultant, and this is the menu which I am going to walk you through. So I'm going to log into SAP S4 HANA. So this is SAP Easy Access screen where I will type SPRO and then SAP reference IMG, and then I'll go to financial accounting, global settings, ledgers, and then fields. And if you see here, define field status variant. So if you click here, you will come to this screen. All right. So what I'm going to do is here is that I'm going to see 0001 is a sample field status variant, a standard field status variant offered by SAP. So what you can create it from the scratch, or what the other option is that we copy 0001 and then customize it as per the business requirement. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to check. I'm going to select this 0001 and I'm going to copy this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and see what is the field status variant that I'm going to configure from my blueprint. So it is PMBA. So as I mentioned before, in this S4 HANA FICO, everything that we are configuring, it is after the theme. Just give me a moment. I'm getting a call, so I will pause the video. Sorry, I'm back. So yes. So what I was talking about is the field status variant. So as I mentioned before in my previous videos, that whatever we are configuring in this series of FICO or S4 HANA, I am following a theme which is Lion King, one of my favorite movie, and PMBA is Pumbaa, which is a field status variant of, I would say, I would say it is for LNKG1, all right, which is Lion King. So that's what I'm going to do, PMBA. I'm going to copy this, and then I copy this one as well, the description. I would say this has some limitations. So I'll say field status variant of LNKG. So now it fits and I hit enter. And here it is telling that should they copy all. So I'll say copy all. So 44 entries has been copied. So I hit save. Now what I'm going to do is that to see how it looks like now, I'll click here and I'll select field status groups. So what all are copied? So if you see, if you select any one of them, probably revenue, and you click on field status, then you go to general data. See, this is in the general data. This assignment number field. If you see, this is an optional entry, which means so. If first of all you see that these are three types of like properties you can assign. What is suppress? Another is required entry, and this is optional. And you can make the changes here as per the business requirement. So here we see that these two are optional entry, which is the assignment number and text. The rest are all suppressed. We don't see it. So this is how you can control the field status of a particular variant for that for which is assigned to your company. All right. So we save this and we create a new customize our request and we will call it configure field status variant and then we'll call give our name of a company LMKG1. We save it. The next thing what we have to do now is we have defined the variant. Okay, we assign some value to the variant, and now we are going to assign it to the company code. So our company code is HKNM, which again is in the Lion King theme. So HKNM stands for Hakuna Matata. And then if you see the like it has taken up the company code which is initially copied from GB01 which is standard in SAP, but we are going to replace it with the company with the field status variant that we have configured, so which is PMBA. So we are going to replace this with PMBA and we hit enter and then we save it. Again we are going to customize the request and we will say assign field status variant to company code and then we'll again say LNKG1 which is our name of a company and we hit save. So this is how you configure field status variant. Uh, so this is how you configure field status variant and assign a field status variant to a company code. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please click on the like icon and share it with your friends. And if you are yet to subscribe the channel, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.